In business, customer communication is crucial. Don't leave money on the table because of poor communication.
Back with Colin Rutherford, founder and CEO of Greenbox Storage and author of the Business Blitz newsletter. So today, I want to start by asking you some things to consider before reaching out to your customers.
Customer outreach is super important. There's a few things that I think all business owners should do. One thing is create a Google Workspace account. So it's super unprofessional when you're contacting a business and they have an at gmail.com email. So with Google Workspace, you can actually create your own email domain. So mine is at Greenbox Storage. So that's super important. Google Workspace allows you to do that. And yeah, you'll off to the races and look more professional when you email customers.
Do you use Google Workspace for your employees as well?
Yeah. Yeah, you can have as many employee accounts as you want. I'm not sure. I think it's like $60 a year or something to have each additional employee email account. I'm a big advocate of using Google Workspace in general, not just for emails, but also Google Docs, Sheets, Slides. We do a lot on Google Sheets to kind of share in real time information with other employees. So using that spreadsheet functionality is really useful. You can also use Google Calendar to keep appointments, meetings, other events organized. You can also set reminders, which is cool as well. And yeah, Google Meet. I actually prefer to use Zoom, so I don't use Google Meet, but that's useful as well.
All right, and so how do customers contact you? Do you only use email?
No, you always want to make your availability as easy as possible for the customer. So if they want to send you a text, they should be able to. If they want to call you, they should be able to. If they want to email you or submit a form on your website, they should be able to. So you should have a business phone number for sure. I use a service called Vonage. So basically, I have a business line. You can call. I can call and text off that number as well. And basically, not just email. You don't want to pigeonhole yourself to one mode of communication.
Gotcha. Okay, and so for next week, we're actually going to get into your hiring process and how you interview. But for today, I want to wrap up by asking you how you recruit your employees.
Yeah, recruiting is so important and finding the right people on your team is crucial. So the most important part of that, the top of the funnel is recruiting. You want to cast a wide net and get the best possible talent to apply. So basically you can search for employees on or applicants on job boards, social media, your company website, you can post a job offering. Just overall networking through industry events, conferences, you can find people in your industry. Referrals are pretty big as well. You can have other people in the industry. So maybe they're looking for another opportunity, that kind of thing. Recruiting agencies are useful as well. They can be expensive, but sometimes they're really good at their job and it's worth the investment.
All right, well, we'll get into more of that next week when we talk about your interview process and how you actually hire. So thanks again for joining us. Have a great week.
Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, click subscribe below for more business content just like this.